So now after getting the recognized words, it's time to pass them to DeepSeek and get the result. And we also need to display these recognized words in the form of message to the user on screen. So how we can do that? So in order to do that, what we can simply do is to call this ask DeepSeek method inside our own speech result. So here, after getting these last words, what we can do is to show them inside text field. So here we can use our text editing controller, and then we can add the text property, and here we can add these last words. And after that we can call this ask DeepSeek method. So now once we are going to call this method, then inside it we are going to take recognized words from the text field and add it inside chat history and inside dash chat. And after that we are going to make the API call and then show the results of DeepSeek to the user on screen. But here we need to add another condition, and that is we need to check that if these words are the final words returned by the speech recognition or not. Because as you know, if we are speaking multiple words, then it will be called multiple times. So we don't want to call this method multiple times. So here what we can do is to check that if this result is containing the final result or not. So if it is containing the final result, only then we are going to get the recognized words and perform the operation. So it means that our code will be executed only for this particular result. So now to test it, I will gonna restart our application again. So there you can see our application is restarted. So I will click here and speak the text, hello. And there you can see we got this message here. And now we will also, and we also got the response of DeepSeek here. Similarly, let's speak something else. Can you tell me the names of top 10 motorbikes? So there you can see our query.
Popularity, sales, or segment sport.
So there you can see we got the response here, and it is also playing it, but I have manually stopped it. So it means that we have successfully added speech to text feature inside our application.